Kung JC, what happened today sa Ethics Committee related doon sa recommendation nga sa plenary na pag-usapan yung nangyari kay Congressman Bong Suntay?
Of course, pursuant to the motion that was adopted in the plenary, the Committee on Ethics scheduled a hearing for that purpose today. And of course, according to our rules, all of our processes are deemed confidential. However, I would like to assure the public that we will be coming up with a report soon and we will ensure due process for all parties involved dahil meron rin po tayong private complainants bukod po sa mga House members na tumindig sa plenaryo nung nakaraang Wednesday.
Kung present po si Kong Suntay kanina po.
He was required to attend and pursuant to the order of the House, he complied and attended today's hearing.
In process, Chair, bibigyan ng panahon si Kong Suntay to answer each of the mga complaint against him.
Well, like I said, meron po tayong private complainants and of course, he would be given time to answer the verified complaint that was filed against him. So it would go through the rules and procedures of the Ethics Committee and I would like to assure everyone that a report will be issued in time.
For how long, sir?
According to our rules, meron po kaming 60 session days to resolve the same and I would like to assure everyone that we will come up with our reports immediately.
What will happen, sir, if ever hindi siya sumagot within that period?
Well, ayoko namang pangunahan po ang respondents ng aming mga ethics procedures. Pero napakahalaga naman po sa aming mga respondent na mabigyan sila ng pagkakataong rumesponde sa mga alegasyon laban sa kanila.
So sir, he was formally instructed to answer the allegations against him.
To be specific, he was formally instructed to attend the hearing today and manifestations were made and put on record and this will all be included as we deliberate on our committee report.
Ano yung mood kanina sa hearing?
Actually, hindi ko po alam dahil nagiging attentive lang po ako sa aming mga rules and processes. Of course, we must make judgments based on evidence and in accordance with our rules.
Sir, meron na bang mga mambabatas na nagpahayag kung Team Bong Suntay o sinusuportahan nila?
So, sa amin po, yung kinakampihan po namin dito kung ano ang nasa side ng hustisya, kung ano ang nararapat na asal para sa isang miyembro po ng Kongreso. Yun po ang tinitindigan parate po ng Committee on Ethics and we will be coming up with a recommendation soon.
So when is the next hearing about Congressman Suntay?
That I cannot disclose po at the moment. Meron po kaming regular meeting before we adjourn. And of course, kung magkakaroon po ng mga follow-up hearings regarding that, we would have to follow our rules and procedures.
Bawal mag-retract tapos mag-apologize. Would that make a difference?
I don't know. Ayoko po pangunahan ng aking members dahil ang Committee on Ethics, it's a collegial body. We always defer to the collective wisdom of our members and ultimately the plenary once the committee report is read. Yes.
Sir, ang sinasagot lang ako siya dun sa mga sentiments na politics as expressed in the plenary or pati dun sa private complainant.
Both.
Sinagot na rin niya kanina.
Well, like I said po, meron pong timeline ang aming committee sa pagbibigay po ng panahon para respondehan po ang mga alegasyon laban sa kanila. Like I said, bukod po sa privilege speech, may mga private complaints pa pong na-file. So, based on our rules, kailangan mabigyan po ng pagkakataon na sagutin ang bawat complaint na ito at magkaroon po ng pandinig for that purpose.
Sir, based
Thank
on the
you.
rules of the Ethics Committee, can you just disclose how many days he is given to answer?
For a verified complaint, 10 days. Thank you. Thank you very much po.
Thank you po.